सब जानिबा हला मु कहबी मो सहित तम कहबो। A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for egg, F for hat, G for goat, H for hen, I for ice cream, J for jug, K for kite, L for lion, M for mango, N for nest, O for ox, P for pen, Q for queen ना समस्त मन रही तो R for rat, S for sun, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for X-ray, Y for yak, Z for zoo ହେଲା ସମସ୍ତ ମନେ ରହିଲା ସମସ୍ତେ ଶିଖିଛ ତ? ଆ ବଢିଆ ପିଲା ହେଲା।